Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss NCERT example number 14. Draw the graph of the function f r to r means real number to real number defined by fx equal to x cube where x belongs to r. So solution here we have function r to r fx is equal to x cube. So see here, when x equal to 0, put here x equal to 0, here 0 cube is 0, so y equal to 0. When x equal to 1, so 1 cube is 1. X equal to 2, 2 cube is 8. X equal to 3, y is 27. It means the value is increasing very fast. When x is infinity, so infinity cube is infinity. When x is minus 2, so here the power is an odd power, so become minus infinity. When x is minus infinity, so minus infinity whole cube is minus infinity. Now see here the draw the graph. When 0, then y is 0, 0, 0 here. When x is 1, y is 1 will be here in the first quadrant. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 8. So here 2, 8 means x value here 2, then y value is increasing very fast. Here 3, 27, 3, 27. X infinity, y is infinity. Now going up to infinity here in first quadrant. Now see here, when x is minus 2, here minus 2, y is minus 8. When x is minus infinity, y is minus infinity. So this curve here looks like a S shape. So this is a cubic equation. So cubic equation, the graph of cubic equation generally will be in S shape. And you know that the graph of a quadratic equation is a parabolic curve. And here the cubic equation generally the curve will come as shape. So domain, see here the x coordinate is the domain. So minus infinity to plus infinity. So domain df minus infinity to plus infinity. And here range is minus infinity, y coordinate minus infinity to plus infinity. So this is the domain and this is the range. Now rational function. Rational function. Rational function are functions of the type fx by gx. Fx by gx. Where fx and gx are polynomial function. You know that already polynomial function of x defined in a domain where gx is not equal to 0. So see here, if gx is 0, then function is not defined. See here, 5 by 0, 5 by 0 is not defined. 2 by 0 not defined. It means any finite number divided by 0 is not defined. So that's why gx is not equal to 0. Now here example number 15. Define the real valued function. Define the real valued function f r real number except 0. Here minus sign. Real number except 0 to r. Because here fx is defined by fx is equal to 1 by x. So except 0. Here written except 0 because if x equal to 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. That's why here written x belongs to R, where R is a set of real number except 0. Now I am going to draw the graph of this one. So we have fx is equal to 1 by x. So see here x and here y means fx. So see here x equal to 0. This side is infinity and this left side is minus infinity. So see here, if here x and here y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx is equal to here. Okay. Now see here. When x is equal to 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. When x is equal to 0.1, so 1 by 0.1, if you will take here 1 by 0.1, so become here 10. When if you will take here 1 by 0.01, so this one become 100. So 0.01 become 100. If you will take here 1 by 0.001, so here 0.001 become 1000. It means when you are coming towards the 0, see here 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, when you are coming towards 0 side means this side, towards 0 side, your value is increasing, y value is increasing. Okay, so y value is increasing. When you are coming towards here, if I am taking here now, if here 0.000001, so become the value is become very large. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It means the value is increasing very fast when you are coming towards 0 sides. Now from here, this is here from right to left. Now from left to right, see here, when if you take here x and here fx, when x is equal to -1, put here -1, fx is -1. If x is -1 minus 0.1, so here become -10. If you take minus 0.01, become -100. So it means you are going towards minus infinity. Towards when you are going towards this side, from the right side to here towards the 0, so you are going towards 0, the value is decreasing very fast. The value is decreasing very fast. So see here, if you will take here, so now I am right here drawing the graph. if you will take here x is infinity, then will become 0. When x is infinity, then becomes 0. X is infinity, then will become 0. So see here, when x is infinity, x is, this is infinite x, here x, this side is x dash, and this is y, and here y dash, here origin. So when x is equal to infinity, then value is almost here 0. Here 0. When you are coming towards 0, the value is increasing here. The value is increasing. The graph is like this. When you are coming towards, the value is increasing. See here 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. So here when you are coming towards 0, the value of y is increasing. See here y is increasing. When x is minus infinity, y is 0. Here x is infinity, y is 0. X is infinity, y is 0. When x is minus infinity, y is 0. So it means here minus infinity 0. When you are coming towards the 0, the value of y is decreasing very fast. The value of y is decreasing very fast, like this. See here, minus 0.1, so minus 100. If you take minus 0.00001, the value become, numerical value will be more, but the value sign here, minus sign, it means will be very less value. So this is the graph of y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx is equal to 1 by x. So see here the domain, here in this case domain df is equal to set. See here, except this line means except x equal to 0. So domain is the set of all real number except 0. Y value also, see here, y value is also except 0. So range is also set of all real number except 0. This is the domain and this is the range, because here this axis is not included. X axis is not included. That's why real number but except 0. And here this is the y axis. Y axis is not included. So real number except 0. This is your domain and this is your range.